thank you very much, but we're not going to reform Social Security. Send $100, thank you, we appreciate it, but we're not going to do anything about Medicare. Send us even $1,000, we're still not going to protect the snow-tailed egret or the other.
There's boxes of junk and stuff like that. The antique desk is still in there. It's still all the same shit. Here's the desk. There's boxes and tapes. Over this side. Oh, excuse me. Where did that come from? Why is everything you? Okay, first of all, it's not yours. It was ours. In the attic. This TV here has nothing to do with you or me. It does, I have receipt for you. You and your mother came here how many times and took the heavy antique furniture out of here? Ah, bullshit. That had any value on it. Yeah, there was, Lisa. Bullshit. You want me to start naming off things you took? Yeah, the door you busted off on your kid's foot. TJ, I'm going to tell you right now.
Dad, don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
You're going to listen to your mother. You're going to have to live with your mother.
I'm not living
your
with
mother
you or her.
Fucked us both so fucking bad you don't see.
Just because I don't have money doesn't mean you got to take it out on me all the time.
She's trying to throw us both out of here.
I'm trying to make a living and you're busting my balls because you're telling me I didn't pay you up to rent and I paid you.
You're back $200. You just said it to me when you handed me.
Yeah, this month. I owe you $200 for this month.
The other two that I owe.
Yeah, for the beginning because you said you wanted it at the beginning of the month.
Yeah, and you gave it to me into the following month, but you still owed me that $200 you've been carrying for 4 months now. You've been carrying that, not giving it to me. Ignorant fuckface. Motherfucker! Now I'm a dick! Oh, I'm a lazy motherfucker!